Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mazda 3 timing chain. First, gather all your essential tools, including a new timing chain kit, a torque wrench, and fresh engine oil. Next, ensure the vehicle is safely supported. Disconnect the car's battery and completely drain both the engine oil and the coolant. Then, carefully remove any components that are blocking your access to the timing cover. Now, with the engine supported, you'll need to remove the engine mount on the passenger side to gain better access. Next, carefully detach the crankshaft pulley. After that, you can begin to remove the timing cover itself. Take your time with this step, as it often requires gentle prying. Once removed, meticulously clean all mating surfaces, ensuring every bit of old gasket material is gone for a perfect seal. This is a critical step. Precisely align the timing marks on both the crankshaft and the camshafts. This ensures correct engine timing. Now, carefully install the new timing chain, along with its new guides and the new tensioner. Double-check that everything is seated correctly. Before reinstalling the timing cover, apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant to its mating surface, ensuring a leak-free seal. With the new timing chain in place, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reinstall all the components you removed earlier, working in the reverse order. Ensure all bolts are torqued to their manufacturer's specifications. Once everything is back together, refill the engine with fresh engine oil and coolant. Finally, start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises and thoroughly check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.